See, if you see properly, this main is there. Inside the main, there is something called a. Okay, this main, there's something called a whose value is 10. Okay, at line number 11, you called increment. So increment was created. Okay, kind of thing. You can imagine like this. Okay, increment is created. Inside increment, there is one variable a. Okay, the thing that is in the parameter, that's the variable. Okay, so there is something called as a in the increment also. So I'm like, okay, whatever value is there, you pass it here, a. So whatever is inside of a, right now it's 10, right? So 10 is actually received here. 10 is received here. I received here 10. Okay, great. And I'm doing a equal to a plus 1. Who's a? Increments a. You know, I'm in the increment function, so this is incrementing its value from a 10 to a 11. Making sense? After that, this function is destroyed. This part is gone. I came and I printed cout a. So I'm printing in the main. Whose a should be printed? Mains a. Mains a is already 10. It's not equal to 11, right? So obviously only 10 is getting printed. Making sense? If I come and print here, okay, so what will be printed? 11 will be printed. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see that. If this a is not printed here, example, and I'm printing it here, then obviously it's gonna print me 11. That's sure, right? Making sense? Okay, great. But now I want to print 11 from the main. How do we do that? Let's see. See here. If it is not returning anything, then it's not reflecting the value. If in case it's returning, I'm like, see, I did a equal to a plus 1 and I'm returning a. Okay, so I'm like here. Okay, inside my a, you receive this value, whatever this is bringing. Okay, right before it was a equal to 10. It called from the value 10. Here a was increased and I returned a. A right now is containing 11. Okay, so this part will bring 11. So now a is actually containing 11. So now if I print out here, I'm gonna get 11. Okay, let's see. Okay, making sense what we are supposed to do and how we're doing it, right? If you are not returning it, then the values are not getting reflected. The changes, I should say, that are not getting reflected. But if you're returning something, then you are coming and storing that in your previous a. If you're storing your previous a, then the changes will get reflected. Making sense? Okay, I hope it made sense. And this is actually your pass 5 value. Okay, we are giving some values, we are passing that value. If you're returning and storing that value in the a, then the changes will get reflected. In case if you are like saying, no, I don't want to make any changes, just make it void and don't return anything. In this case, this will not return anything, so it will just be increment only, because obviously nothing is void. So just keep it like this, print a, and a now will be giving us 10. Okay, I hope this made sense to us. Okay, as we move further, we'll see more things, okay, about functions. Okay, so thank you. See you guys in the next video. Thank you.